Hi guys! So, gagawa ako ng fridge, what do you call this? Hindi ko alam sasabihin na. Tour. Ang tagal nag-isip talaga Fridge tour. Tama ba? So, yan. Kasi nalinis ko na siya kahapon. So, I think I did this before, like, a few months ago. And magulong-magulong yung fridge. So, ngayon, nilinis ko na siya yesterday. So, yeah. Let's see. Okay, guys. So, ito yung aming fridge. Luma na siya. Ganyan lang siya. 2 doors. Okay. Pagbukas mo ganyan, merong left and right. Yeah, that's the door. Whatever. So, at this side, nahimin natin. Meron ditong spicy cover. Ito yung pagkain ng fish ng asawa ko. We have shrimp, a little shrimp pagkain sa fish ng asawa ko. May isda kasi siya. Then, meron kaming langka, frozen langka. Binili namin yung malaki. Then, you know, nagsawa na nilagay dyan. We have, ang tawag dito, parang popsicle shells, pero mahaba. Yeah. We got 2 bags. Then we have, potato puffs. Yeah, potato puffs. We have French fries here. Actually, that's for Timmy. Then dito naman sa freezer, we have the ice cubes. We have the fudge. Yan, chocolate fudge. That's mine. I eat like once a week or twice a week. 100 calories lang siya per bar. Meron kaming Shanghai wrapper. Tapos, dito, popsicles. Ito yung homemade popsicles for Timmy. Ano siya, strawberries, different fruits. Tapos, smooth ko siya. Then, nalagay ko siya dyan. Then, nalagyan ko siya ng vegetables. Yung puree mo siya. Then, we have avocado bites. Timmy loves this so much. This is, para siyang dumplings, pero may avocado siya inside. And then, a little mild spice. So, hindi siya ganun kaanghang. Tama lang. Then, we have shrimp here na kailangan kong gusto ko siyang lutuin as Cajun shrimp. Then, we have brown chicken. We have beef. And then, we have this one is pork ribs na kailangan ko lutuin. Then we have frozen Snickers ice cream. We have chicken thigh. Leftover ice cream of Timmy. Nagtira pa talaga yan. We have this one. Ilalagay mo siya sa ginagawa ko, nilalagay ko to sa milk ni Timmy dun sa ito yung ginagamit ko. Yan. So, dito ko nilalagay yung gatas ni Timmy sa gabi. Tapos, ilalagay ko yun para make sure na malamig ko siya, hindi masisira. Then, ground pork. Yan lang naman ang freezer. See, malinis na siya. Kahapon, grabe ang kanyang yellow. Okay, next. So, this is our fridge sa baba. Okay. So, dito muna tayo siguro sa loob, ha. So, we have leftover food, Chinese food. This one, usually kasi ginagawa ko, pag may fruits sa bottom there, on the compartment, nagkakat na ako ng apples or whatever fruits para easy access siya. You know, kakainin mo na lang, hindi ka na maghihiwa. So, we have kiwi here. I cut kiwi and apples. We have leftover fruits there. And soda, that's not mine. We got tofu. This is seaweed. Yan, seaweed. We have salsa. Yan. This is leftover pizza. Timmy's water. 2. And overnight oatmeal. We have potato salad there at the back. Big container. My husband is the only one who eat it. Kasi ang taas sa calories. Grabe. Ito, we have wheat bread. Yan. Then here, uncooked eggs. We have 2 uncooked eggs here. kakabili lang ng isang tray ng eggs, so hindi siya magkasya. So, dito ako nilagay. We have tortillas. Yeah. Then, we got sharp cheddar cheese. Then, we have hummus. Garlic hummus. Hindi pa siya open. We got shrimp. Yung dried shrimp. Then, here, ayun yung eggs. Nagluto ako ng, ito yung eggs. Siguro mga 24 pieces siya. Kakabilang lang. Ito yung green vegetables. Kakaluto ko lang kaganina. This one is ground turkey. Niluto ko yesterday. We have cabbage here. Niluto ko yesterday. This is salmon. Niluto ko kaninang umaga. Leftover rice. And then 2 dozens of milk. Coconut milk. So, ito, pinainom namin kay Timmy during the day. But this one at night time, mas gusto niya yan for night. At saka, hindi siya ganun mabilis masira unlike coconut milk. Coconut milk is healthier than the cow's milk. That's why my husband, ito talaga pinainom niya. Kung hindi ito, almond's milk. But, he has a research na yung almond milk is not even better as well. So, magpo-focus na siya sa coconut milk instead of almond or cow's milk. Yeah. Pero mas mahal yun. Yung nga lang mas mahal siya. Ito kasi parang kung hindi ako nagkakamay, $2.50. Ito siguro nasa, sabihin na natin the same, pero maliit lang siya. Or more. Next is we have grilled chicken. Cook na siya. Pero, you know, lagay mo lang siya sa microwave. Pwede na siyang kainin. Ito, pagkain ng asawa ko. Parang mga bones yan. Mahilig siya sa ganyan eh. We have spinach there. Here. Here's spinach. Yan, for salad. We have salad here. This is lettuce. Hiniwa ko na siya kahapon. We have celery. We have, what's this? Broccoli. Niluto ko kaganina. Then, ano ba to? Ito, 1, 2, 3, 4. Baon ko for 4 days. Yeah. And then, lettuce. And green veggies. And then here, string beans. Yan. May onions. Broccoli. Yeah. Next. Almost. We have leftover spinach. Usually ko, hindi siya niluluto. As ano lang siya, parang salad. 1 cucumber. We have garlic. Apples. Oranges. Potatoes. That's it. And leftover avocado. Okay. And meron pa pala guys, ito pang side ng ano. We have butter, cream cheese, Snickers. We have so much here. We have grapes. Continuation guys. So we have coffee here. Nilagay namin siya sa fridge kasi mas masarap. Hindi siya yung, mas masarap pa rin yung lasa niya. Yan. Brewed coffee. Nilagay mo siya sa, hindi pa siya, ang tawag dito? Basta ground coffee siya. Tapos ilalagay mo siya dun sa coffee maker. Yun. Yan. Ako, dito na yung anak ko. Next, we have Japanese curry. Vanilla extract. Parmesan cheese. Sauce. Sriracha. Pepto-Bismol. Okay, hindi ako ito sponsored. Pag masakit yung tiyan mo or something, take a link nito ng 2. Kung may bote siyang ganyan, container maliit. 2 ganon. Oh, I think 1 or 2 okay ka na. And then, garlic chili sauce. Favorite ko yan. We have relish. I love relish. Then here, we have, hey Timmy. So, guys, we have this yellow curry paste. Maanghang siya. Ang sarap, para siyang ano, Thai curry talaga. Okay. We have mayonnaise here. We have, this is like Korean thing. We have kimchi. Kimchi. Barbecue sauce. Italian dressing for the salad. Ketchup. This is ranch. We have ranch. Mustard. My husband loves mustard. I like mustard. Of course, they have bagoong. And we have rice vinegar. Timmy, put it down. We have lemonade. Crushed orange. Hindi ko alam bakit kami... Ay, mama ko pumunta dito, nagdala nito. Hanggang ngayon nandito pa kasi hindi kami minom soda. Yun naman sa mga friends ng husband ko. Kasi hanggang ngayon, tagal na nito dito. Walang umiinom. More on water kami. Hindi kami nagjo-juice. Kasi yung sugar content, syempre mataas pa rin. We have cornstarch. We have Mang Tomas. Alam niyo ba guys, itong Mang Tomas? Tawa ng tawa yung husband ko and my sister-in-law about this. Because it says all-purpose sauce. Kasi dito, pag all-purpose, para siyang ano eh. Parang, kung saan mo ginagamit, diba? Parang pandinis ba? Eh ito, nakalagay siya sa pagkain. Parang ang weird. Yeah. If that makes sense. This one is Ensure. Ito, nung buntis pa akong to, binili ng asawa ko. Kasi hindi ako makain. So, parang pang protein pero hindi masama ang pakiramdam ko dahil sobrang tamis na hindi ko matake. Sobrang tamis, grabe. Then, this one, we have Worcestershire sauce. We have sweetened chili sauce here. So, yung guys. Ito na guys. Ang buong fridge. At ang batang makulit. Say hi, Timmy. Timmy, say hi. Say hi. 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 Smile. Hey. Say hi, Timmy. Hi. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Okay, so yun lang guys. Ang tour ng aming fridge. Sana nagustuhan niyo. At kung meron pa kayong mga request, mag-message lang kayo, mag-comment lang kayo, parang text lang yun, mag-comment lang kayo down below, and I hope you guys already subscribe and like my videos. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!